Welcome to our special program tonight. Our topic is one that affects every person, every family, and every community, which is the importance of keeping our environment clean. When we say environment, we mean everything around us, for air, our water, our land, and our cities. If these are dirty, we cannot live healthy lives. Tonight, we will bring you reports, interviews, and real examples. We will talk about the problems, but also the solutions. Let's begin with my show presenter in studio.
Okay. So, thank you. All around the world, people are facing environmental problems. One of the biggest problems is air pollution. In cities like New Delhi, Beijing, and also in Bogor or Jakarta. The air can become so thick with smoke that people can barely see the buildings across the street. Doctors say breathing this air is dangerous, especially for the children and also older people. For President A, have you noticed that when the air is dirty, people often feel tired and cannot focus?
Alright. Yes, that is true. Even in Jakarta, some days the air pollution that shows unhealthy. People wear masks not just because of COVID-19, but because of the air quality. But how serious is this? Let's hear from our field reporter. Tiga.
Thank you from studio. Now I'm standing in the busiest road in Jakarta. Behind me, there is one motorcycle. Every single one is releasing a smoke into the air. According to the recent report, Jakarta is often ranked among the top 10 most polluted cities in the world. Doctor says that breathing this air every day is like smoking up to 20 cigarettes a month. Many people suffer from coughing, asthma, and then another lung problem or disease. But the government tried some solutions. They built the MRT and LRT to reduce the pollution from vehicle around, but still progress is slow. Many citizens say they need a cleaner air now, but not 10 years later. And I'm giving back the report to the studio.
Air is only one part of the story. Another big problem is plastic waste. Presenter B, do you know how much plastic ends up in the ocean every year?
Yes, according to the United Nations, 11 million tons of plastic enter the ocean every year. That is like dumping a truck full of plastic into the sea every single minute. And what happens? Fish and turtles and even whales eat the plastic, thinking it is food. Many animals die because of this. Let's go back to our field reporter for more details.
Come back to me. I'm reporter Ibnu, the field reporter. Now I'm in the Bogor Asia Tenggara Zoo, reporting from the zoo. As you can see here, there are several animals, and behind of me there are zoo workers and a deer. So here, actually, before I come here, there are so many deer in here. It's around like 15 until 18, but because of pollutions, because of trash, the animals is eating the trash and then get sick by air pollutions. So they are got asthma, and then diarrhea because of the trash that given by a human that visit to the zoo. So that's why in the zoo there is a rules that forbidden the visitors to give some food or given it to the animals. And also, as you can see there are a lake for a turtle, and all the turtles that live on the lake is all die, and the water turns into a green colors because of the trash, as you can see there. And then, so behind me there are zoo workers. So I'm gonna ask several questions to the zoo workers. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How many animals are here?
I think 3.
3. But before there are so many animals, right?
Yes.
They are die because of pollution.
Yes.
So, can you tell me why this is only 3 animals here?
Yeah. Because you can see in there
Yes.
there is pembakaran sampah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I cannot speak English very well because I just zoo worker.
Yes, you
Yeah.
worker.
So many people bakar sampah in there, and then many animals, example like crocodile in there. There is 3 crocodile.
Yes, crocodile and a turtle, right?
Yes,
Yes.
and turtle. And before there is 10 deer, and there is 3 deer now because many deer get pollution from tempat pembakaran sampah.
Yes.
And then this is my lovely deer. The name is Ariel.
Ariel.
Yes.
Oh, good morning, Ariel.
And then I think we must stop, and I hope all people now want to stop melakukan pembakaran sampah because can make many animal die, and later there is no again animal from this place. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for Mr. Yazid Takwalam for the report and
Okay.
answering the question. Now I'm reporter Ibnu, a field reporter reporting from Bogor, Asia Tenggara Zoo.
can see.
Give back to the studio.
Look.
Oh my God, so cute, so cute. So, before we close this report from the studio, I would like to deliver one story from a children in East Java village. They have a project that called Trash Bank project. So, these children is collecting the trash around the village and exchange it with the money. And also with that money, they buy some books for the school. And this project's not only helping the village from the trash, the children is also helping around with educations. So I hope this country or this environment is free from a trash. And that's the story that I can tell, and I give it back to the studio.
So tonight we have learned that the environment is facing many challenges.
Air pollution, plastic waste, and dirty rivers are hurting our health and our future.
But we also learn about the solutions, government action, community service, and personal habit.
So the environment is our home. If we clean it, we protect our life and the life of future generation. Thank you for watching our program tonight. Remember, a clean world start with you. Good night. Presented by TV2.